Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for September 24th, 2013. It's currently 8:45 a.m. and it's another wonderful Tuesday morning. Crisp, cool, and comfortable. Well, if you like cool weather. Temperatures this morning range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior and lower to mid 40s over much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. A few mid to upper 40s here and there in your urban locations. The overall theme here is that skies are clear, winds are from the northwest or north around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures today are going to rebound nicely into the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with clear skies. So another beautiful day is on the way as we start to end September. At the surface map, you can see our high pressure system is in control with clear skies in place throughout the entire region, and with the pressure gradient weakening here, we should expect winds to remain relatively light, around 5 to 10 miles per hour from the north and northwest through today. And of course, with the high pressure system in control, there really isn't much going on with the radar. On the infrared satellite picture, high pressure is clearly seen in control once again. Now you see this storm here? This storm here keeps this high pressure system in place, but it also starts to block up the rest of the pattern. And this is a key point to our upcoming forecast. I know there's a lot of noise out there on Facebook and Twitter about a potential storm for the end of this weekend and start of next week. Now, this low pressure system basically blocks up the pattern and slows down this disturbance here. And we're going to see that really well with the European model guidance. Let me show you this. Here we are for this afternoon, right? We have our disturbance here, negatively tilted. We got another storm out here in the Canadian Maritimes. Everything is getting blocked up, and our high pressure system is in control. That high pressure system will remain in control all the way through this upcoming weekend, including Sunday. High pressure is in complete control, providing tranquil weather conditions. You can see the dry air is in place all the way down to the New Jersey coast, and that means we're going to be dealing with scattered cloud cover, comfortable weather conditions, temperatures in the lower to mid 70s for highs, mid to upper 40s for lows, a few lower 50s sprinkled here and there in the urban locations. Overall, very pleasant weather conditions. But as you can see, we have an upper level low that sets up here. Now, how does this upper level low get itself organized? Well, it's basically forced to get shoved under this upper level low here because the whole pattern gets blocked up. So through the week, as this disturbance is forced to the south, it's able to cut off from the rest of the polar jet stream here, which has a nice deep trough over the west and a nice big ridge over the east. But here is this upper level low being cut off from the rest of the weather pattern. So this upper level low gets to fester off the east coast by this weekend. And then by the time we get into Sunday night into Monday, we're going to have to watch to see exactly how this storm develops. Now, the way that this is all setting up, especially with another storm developing over the Canadian Maritimes, blocking up this entire weather pattern, the support is there to bring this storm closer to the coast. But whether it moves closer to the coast or not, the key point here is that with this high pressure system locked in here and with this low pressure system locked in down here, even if the storm remains off the coast and all we get is some increase in clouds, we'll still be dealing with very windy conditions Sunday night into Monday, and also the potential for enhanced coastal flooding because you're having a strong northeasterly to easterly wind driving the Atlantic Ocean right into the New Jersey coast and right into Long Island Sound. And that, of course, means that there's going to be an increased threat for coastal flooding. We're going to have to watch to see exactly how strong this upper level low gets and how dynamic the energy is that basically sets up off the East Coast. We'll know that over the next 48 to 66 hours. So right now, there's no reason to really jump the gun on this storm yet. We have a lot to watch, and this could easily form out a little bit further out into the Atlantic and basically remain off the East Coast. But right now, what we're looking at here is a potential for a storm to basically move into the East Coast, move into the northern mid-Atlantic from the Atlantic Ocean on Monday with periods of rain and, of course, cool weather conditions. So we're going to keep an eye on this storm over the next 48 to 66 hours. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.